Hello friends. Today we will learn the difference between look, see, and watch. These three words look similar, but their meanings are different. Let us understand in a very simple way. First word, look. Look means to try to see something. When you look, you give attention on purpose. Example, look at the blackboard. Example, look at this picture. Second word, see. See means to notice something naturally. You do not try. It just happens. Example, I can see the moon in the sky. Example, did you see my bag? Third word, watch. Watch means to look at something for some time. It is mostly used for moving things. Example, I watch television every day. Example, we are watching a cricket match. Now, remember this easy trick. Look means try to see. See means see naturally. Watch means look for a long time. I hope this lesson is clear. If you like this video, please like and share. Comment if you want more English lessons. Thank you for watching.